I can do 20 each on these.
Okay. One of them said 15. That's all.
Oh, that's fine then.
Yeah.
How about 30
for
for
mine?
30 for both. How about that? Might have been the other one.
Oh, was it? You know what? I think you're right.
All right.
Sorry about that.
You're trying to scam folks out here.
I'm not.
I'm not with her,
definitely
ma'am.
not.
So if you call the police, I'm not with her.
Just went that way. Oh, thank you.
I can do 130 for everything.
Okay. Do you by any chance take Venmo or Cash App? Okay, we'll run in then.
Okay.
Can you just hold these back for me and then
Sure.
we'll run into
You want to put them in there? Is this my bag or your bag?
It's
your
mine, but we can put it in my bag.
No. Let me see. I might have it.
Is that cool? I can get it out of my account.
It's up to you.
That's Henry Bendel. I wonder it's $60.
That's a what?
Henry Bendel.
Harry Bendel.
Henry Bendel.
Oh, I know Henry. You used to call him HB in school.
Something wrong with you.
Another Michael Kors.
Yeah, it's a backpack though. I kind of like
That's I like it.
So be careful with these light colored ones against your black because if they get a color transfer,
I know.
it's really hard to get off. So
I
I'm
know.
gonna put it in here and then put it in that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, once you go black, you get a stain on your purse.
How much is this one? I know it has a retail of $460. It says.
I can do 40 on it. That's a beautiful bag.
He's gonna kill me. I might put one of the other ones back. I like.
No. Just get what you're gonna get. I'll give you 100. And
Okay.
if you got 100, now you just got 200.
Yeah.
And then
That's
after
a
you give
really
her the
nice- that
money,
Michael Kors
I
is
spent.
We'll have zero.
I spent so much money already this morning at a couple yard sales. So like,
This one's really, really good condition.
I like it.
do you have any clue how to cover that up besides leather dye?
You can put some cleaner on it or even some acrylic paint.
Acrylic. Yeah, we have acrylic paint.
You got plenty of that.
Just try to match it a little
Yeah,
bit. Like
yeah.
it's not like a bright white, but maybe put a little
Yeah.
bit
It's
of
like a
off-white in it
green,
until
yeah.
you get the right.
Yep.
And then just put some like clear sealer over it once it dries real good.
Okay.
I know to do with a wallet. If it get a scratch on it, I just get another wallet. But you talking about getting purses clean, I don't have a clue.
Yeah, that's cute.
It is nice. I like it. All right, so we're gonna go
where's my
sell our
bottle?
house, and then we'll be right back.
I think I might not get this one.
Why?
Because I'm afraid I'm going to get it all messed up. I'm
Well,
going to
the same with that one, you know.
Just get it. I'll put it. I'll take care of that. Don't wreck the gate.
We'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
1983,
These are
Nissan has
Madden
been
Girl.
assembling award-winning
Oh yeah.
Little chunky shoes.
Morning. How you doing?
Great. And this summer, we're
You didn't call me buddy. I said good morning.
free from new tariffs.
Hey, how you doing? Hey,
That's why
Willie.
we've lowered MSRP on our Tesla Road and Pathfinder.
Hello. You hear me? You on yours?
Got these pimps named slipbacks.
Is here for you at the Nissan Summer Sales Event.
Hey, but you're still moving, brother.
Limited time until supplies last. Assembled with U.S. and imported parts.
I guarantee you, before you come back, I'll sell those. I had 3 pair of them. These don't just like
What,
it.
these?
Yeah, 3 pair.
I hear you.
Yep.
They're cute.
You got the right idea to have a tent over you.
Yes. How much is this one? 10? 8? Okay.
Yeah.
I could probably clean that up pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get this one.
It's a nice bag.
Yeah. These will be they're cute, but okay, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day.
Bye.
This Cowboys blanket, is that what that is?
Cowboys.
Yeah. Make the sniff test in case it's raining.
Mm-hmm.
This one's not bad. Not huge money, but it's not bad.
When you gonna put that out on
Yeah, the flea
the
market.
table?
Maybe not. The corners are.
When I say on the table, I'm just letting everybody know. When I say on the table, I mean our flea market table.
If you need help, I'm right here, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I was actually talking to them, but you too. I'll help you too.
Thanks.
Sure.
No.
Hmm?
No.
Was it raggedy?
It's the Cowboys.
I know, but there's somebody. I know somebody that likes Cowboys. How much for the blanket?
$2.
Okay. I would do $2.
How about your 10?
How about $1?
Okay.
You interested in those boots over there?
Lord, look at this thing.
I saw that.
This is a good flea market thing.
What is it? A starfish. It's broke.
It's
It looks broken at the top. The top.
I'm looking. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. It's cowboy boots.
Oh, okay. Black Christmas.
Oh.
Yee, a Black Christmas. Hey, what's wrong with having a Black Christmas? Great national parks.
Is that George Bush?
Yeah.
Cracking up.
You can leave it right there too.
That's crazy. Oh, I got that George Bush bundle that I need to do.
Yeah.
You can have George Bush for $4.
I think we're gonna leave. I think we're
we're
gonna
gonna
leave
leave
George
yours
Bush
there.
right there where he at.
This for the card.
You can. They're real. I'll sell those for $20.
Got a hole though.
Shit.
I don't know if I can.
Okay, so it just went to 15 now.
It just went to 15.
Yeah. I don't know if I can do anything with that.
I got clothes over there. You can fill bags for $5. Brand new clothes, tags.
I got so many clothes I can't even stand myself.
I know, right? How about a buffet? I'll
A
sell
buffet?
Right here.
What you trying to serve some breakfast?
3 point. It's got three.
Oh,
This
okay.
3 thing, and then I'll give you this, the electric skillet with it.
What we
I-
gonna?
That's nice. This is a nice answer. It's got, you can cook 3 different things in it at one time. It's great for Thanksgiving.
I'm gonna tell you what. She's the best, fastest cook there is.
I know.
She
I
puts
know.
something in the microwave, and
It's
I'm
done
ready
in
in
2
2 minutes. Love it.
That's funny.
These are yours.
I get the quickest meals ever.
Yeah.
Make them up a sandwich real quick.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Who did that leaf work on you? That's good.
A guy in Westchester did it. Alright, these are yours. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, how about $5?
Okay.